Welcome to this guide on payment processing and credit card merchant accounts. If you run a business or plan to start one, understanding how card payments work is essential. Today, you'll learn exactly how businesses accept credit and debit card payments, who's involved in the process, and most importantly, what fees you'll pay for these services. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of merchant accounts and how to choose the right payment processing solution for your business. A merchant account is a specialized type of bank account that allows your business to accept and process credit and debit card payments from customers. Think of it as a middleman account. It sits between your regular business bank account and the payment processors. When a customer pays with their card, the money doesn't go directly to your business account. Instead, it first lands in your merchant account temporarily. This account acts as an intermediary, holding the funds for a short period before transferring them to your actual business bank account. This setup is necessary because of the complex verification and security processes involved in card transactions. Let's walk through what happens when a customer makes a purchase with their card. First, the customer swipes, taps, or enters their credit or debit card information at your business. Second, your payment processor immediately sends this transaction information to the card network, like Visa or MasterCard. Third, the card network then contacts the customer's bank, known as the issuing bank, to request authorization and verify that the customer has sufficient funds or credit available. Finally, once approved, the funds are transferred to your merchant account and then deposited into your business bank account, usually within 1 to 3 business days. This entire process typically takes just a few seconds for the approval, though the actual money transfer takes longer. There are 4 main parties involved in every card transaction. First is the merchant, which is you and your business that wants to accept card payments and needs a merchant account to do so. Second is the acquiring bank, sometimes called the merchant bank, which provides your merchant account and handles the processing of your transactions. Third are the card networks, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, which facilitate the communication and movement of money between all parties. Fourth is the issuing bank, which is your customer's bank that actually issued the credit or debit card they're using. Each of these players has a specific role, and, as you'll see next, each one collects fees for their services. Every card transaction involves 3 main types of fees. First are interchange fees, which are paid to the card issuing bank, meaning your customer's bank. These typically range from 1.5% to 3.5% of each transaction and represent the largest portion of processing costs. Second are assessment fees, which are charged by the card networks themselves, like Visa and MasterCard. These are usually much smaller, ranging from 0.1% to 0.15% of the transaction. Third are payment processor fees, which is the markup your payment processor charges for providing the technology, service, and support that enables you to accept card payments. The combination of these 3 fee types makes up your total cost for each transaction. Beyond the per-transaction fees, merchant accounts often come with several additional charges. There's typically a setup fee, which is a one-time charge to establish your merchant account and get everything configured. Most providers also charge a monthly fee for account maintenance, which covers statement generation and ongoing account management. If a customer disputes a transaction, you'll face a chargeback fee, which can range from $15 to $100 per occurrence, regardless of whether you win the dispute. Finally, there's usually an annual payment card industry compliance fee, commonly called PCI compliance, which ensures your business maintains the required security standards for handling card data. These fees vary significantly between providers, so it's important to ask about all of them upfront. Payment processors structure their fees in 3 main ways. Flat rate pricing charges a single percentage for all transactions, such as 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. This model is simple, predictable, and popular with small businesses and those just starting out. Interchange plus pricing shows you the actual interchange rate charged by the card networks, then adds a fixed markup on top. This model is more transparent and often results in lower costs for businesses with high transaction volumes. Tiered pricing categorizes transactions into qualified, mid-qualified, and non-qualified tiers, each with different rates. This model is generally the least transparent and can end up being more expensive, as processors have flexibility in how they categorize your transactions. For most businesses, flat rate or interchange plus pricing offers better value and clarity. When choosing a merchant account provider, focus on these 4 critical factors. First, compare the total cost of ownership, not just the advertised transaction rates. Add up all monthly fees, setup costs, and potential additional charges to understand what you'll really pay. Second, read contracts extremely carefully, looking specifically for hidden fees, minimum processing requirements, and early termination penalties that could cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars. Third, consider settlement times, which is how quickly funds actually reach your business bank account after a transaction. This can range from same day to several business days and significantly impacts your cash flow. Fourth, evaluate the security features, fraud protection tools, and quality of customer support, because when payment issues arise, you need reliable help immediately. Taking time to compare these factors will help you choose the right payment processing solution for your business needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.